30th of April 2025, we have witnessed the 7th MP being assassinated since independence.
And the news, Justin, is that Kasipul lawmaker Charles Ongondo Were has been shot dead this evening at the Nairobi City mortuary roundabout.
Muthenya wa umuthi 30th of April around mathaa ma themwe na nuthu as it is being reported niguo kuratwika ati mubunge wa kuria Kasipul ugwetwo Charles Were akorirwo akirathwo ni andu mauma na nduthi, and it was well planned according to what it is being said kurigana andu aria makionire na how it is being narrated. It is something that was well planned nigetha mubunge ucio akorwo akiuragwo, and guess what, he died there and then. Ni uhoro wakorwo ukimakia andu bururi-ini na njira imwe nene muno, andu makiurania, are we safe? Hihi a Kenya me safe? Agikorwo cio ni mubunge urakorwo agitangetwo uguo na agafuatwo na akarathwo, are we safe? Uhoro ni ukoretwo ukiyumiria just a few days ago, and turonire borithi makiuraga andu 5 ni undu wa mzozo wa migunda na kuria, and a lot of things are happening right now. Na uhoro ucio ni wakorwo ugituma gukorwo na kigakayo kinene muno, and tuona abunge aingi muno magithi kuria gukorwo maki confirm uhoro ucio of that death. Na funny enough ni ati turona the constituents of Kasipul, some of them are happy with this death. But why? The reason is it is being alleged ati kuratwika ati mubunge ucio the late Charles ni akoretwo akihusika na deaths of youths aria makoretwo me over different opinion kana a different political opinion than him. Na at least 13 people have died. Ni uhoro ukoretwo ukiariririo chini ya maji because those posts that I have seen ni post cia tene before even his death. Ma postete tene makiuga that this MP is now a threat. Oho bado nituonete video cia mubunge ucio nima na mushinga CCTV footage na gikorwo akihusika allegedly na gikuo kia mundu in a certain setting in a video that is being shown. Again, we see a video ya Charles Were akiyumiria na kuga ati hena nyanake citumitwo from outside Kasipul constituency nigetha makorwo magiuka na gukorwo cause destruction constituency ni ya Kasipul, na agakorwo akiuga ati andu acio ni mabati gukorwo makidirwo nao na njira imwe nene muno.
The people who are messing us here on the DCC ni our serial thieves, and we know them. We know them. They are insecurity by themselves. Wale wanaleta shida hapa Kasipul si watu ya Kasipul. Wengine wanatoka Migori, wengine wanatoka Kisumu, wanakodeshwa kukuja. Hata jana saa 2 mkutano ilikuwa Pikadili. Former MCA moja hapa na mtu anaitwa Ongati alisema wanangoja mkutano ile nitakuwa plain police from outside Kasipul iwekwe, and that's why I want to speak. Iwekwe alafu youth iwe hired from Kisumu wakuje waanze kuleta chaos ndio nipigwe risasi. Sasa I want to tell my people, nyinyi ukisikia nimewawa nimesema, na siku hiyo nikiwawa Kasipul itakuwa tena, na siwezi nikawawa kwa sababu natembea na Biblia kwa simu. natembea na Biblia kwa simu.
Muroreri, this is a very mysterious death, na ndiyo maoni maku megiĩ ũhoro ũyũ. Nĩ ũhoro ũbatiĩ gũkorwo ũgĩchunguzwo na njĩra ĩmwe nene mũno, because if an MP can die in that way, then are we safe? Regardless the allegations that are there about him, regardless of all that, ni ati he died just like that without any yani no nduthi yũkire ũguo na mũcinga na akorwo akĩũragwo. That is so scary. That is so scary. He becomes the 7th MP to be assassinated while in office. Mũmbunge wa mbere gũkorwo akĩũragwo ofici-inĩ nĩ Pio Gama Pinto in 1965, arĩ mũmbunge wa Parklands. Wa kerĩ nĩ Tom Mboya in 1968, arĩ mũmbunge wa Kisumu Town. Wa gatatũ nĩ JM Kariuki in 1975, arĩ mũmbunge kũrĩa Nyandarua. Wa kana nĩ Tony Ndilinge in 2001, arĩ mũmbunge wa Kilome. Wa gatano nĩ Mugabe Were in 2008, mũmbunge Embakasi. Wa gatandatũ George Muchai 2015, mũmbunge Kafete. Na mũgwanja Charles Were 2025, Kasipul constituency. May his soul rest in peace. Ndiyo maoni maku megiĩ ũhoro ũyũ. You can comment down there and tell us what you think about this story.
Watu wanasimama na shida. Hawata kukaa na hapa ni mtaji. Mabrayo. Nataka bado ishike tu gari yenyewe. Umeona sisi hakuna magari.